This is my goat. This is for you, Grammy and Papa. This is my goatsy. There's Cody. See, he just eats any random stuff. Here's a piece of grass here. Here, I'll feed it to him. Goatsy. Okay, well, he's busy eating other stuff. Here, try this. Goatsy. Here you go. Hold on. Here he goes. He'll eat it now. Still chewing. Here, let me get a bigger piece. Here we go.